All right, what's up? I'm super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at a USO. All right, we're looking at the United States Oil Fund. And I gave an update on this one. I dropped a video on, I believe it came out on Monday, on the 23rd. All right, and I gave you guys this pattern here. All right, so we went over this. This is a continuation pattern. All right, it's known as um, a rising triangle. Okay. Um, an ascending triangle. Okay. And what happens is that you would look for the breakout above this line here, and then that would be basically a bullish pattern. Okay. And you'd get this move upwards. All right. And it being that it's a continuation pattern, you want to look before you got into that pattern. What was the trend? All right. And we were on a very nice uptrend. Okay. So we saw that, all right, hey, we have a continuation pattern. We're in an uptrend. Okay, so then now you can look for this continuation pattern to play out, right? Because if we're in a downtrend and you see this pattern, then it might be less valid, right? So here's the 23rd. All right, this day right here. So it's gone up approximately about 5%. But we really like to trade options in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. So we'll go ahead and look here, and what you can do is you can copy and paste option contracts. Okay, so if you go to trade and then you go and you right click, you can hit copy, right? So you can copy this, come in here, put it on your chart, okay, and do what I just did, paste it in there just like that. Right. So we'll look at this, and we'll look at May 23rd. All right, and we can see here this is May 23rd, and the 85 strike contracts, the call contracts for June 17th expiration, those have gone up over 70%. All right, so some really big moves and profits, there, and we've just started the breakout. Okay, so we'll go back to USO, and we'll look at it now. And what we're going to want to see, okay, we're going to want to see confirmation, all right, of the breakout. Okay, so there's a potential that this could be a false breakout and we come back down, but things look really good. We're riding the top half of the Bollinger Bands, okay, and they're starting to curl up, and so we're going to be looking for those to continue an uptrend, and send this thing possibly up to 90. Is really going to be my price target, where I think we could see or USO go, especially if we get that downward momentum. If we look at our RSI down here too, okay, we also had another bullish pattern. We had what's known as a descending wedge, a falling wedge. Okay, and this is a bullish pattern. And sure enough, we broke out to the upside here. Okay, so we had a bullish pattern on our daily RSI here with the breakout. And we have a daily chart breakout here to the upside. And we just need to see and maintain this momentum, essentially, is all we have to do, to continue and validate the uptrend and the breakout. Okay, so we have the initial breakout, and then we're going to look for it to continue. And if we fall back below and break this 83.65 support level, then it'll just be a false breakout. We do have two gaps down to fill. We have a gap here to fill about down to $83, and we have a gap down to fill right around $67 as well. So those are going to be two levels that you're going to want to keep an eye on, set some alerts on in the future for, because there's a 90 to 95% chance that those are going to fill. Historically, it's just a matter of when, right? And so we're in a very nice uptrend right now, so I wouldn't look for any gaps down to fill during this uptrend. But you do want to be cautious of them. All right, so thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys finding some good content here, trying to show you guys some stocks with some actual nice chart patterns, and some setups. And we had a nice bullish pattern on the stock chart and the RSI chart here. Okay.